you are not audible.
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत कट कट के आ रही है मैम।
Okay, now it's audible.
Ma'am, your voice is getting break.
Whenever you mute your sound, my voice will be completely clear to your screen.
Ma'am, you are
मैम
not
your voice is very low and crackling.
So first, before starting the class, read the question. अगर आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, सुनाई तो सब दिखाई तो सबको दे रहा होगा. What is the question? You are required to start a neighborhood library by collecting the interesting books from all your friends. Now, what should you have to do? How would you maintain the record of books library? आप अपनी लाइब्रेरी जो नेबरहुड लाइब्रेरी बनाने वाले हो उसका मेंटेनेंस आप कैसे करोगे? एक्सपेक्टिंग आंसर फ्रॉम योर साइड. अगर आप नेबरहुड लाइब्रेरी बना रहे हो तो वो लाइब्रेरी का मेंटेनेंस, बुक्स के रिकॉर्ड का मेंटेनेंस कैसे करोगे? जैसे कि ये किसकी बुक है, उसने मुझे कब दी थी, मुझे उसको मेंटेन करना है. ये हिस्ट्री की बुक है, उसको यहाँ पे रखो. जियोग्राफी की बुक है, यहाँ पे रखो. मैथ्स के रिगार्डिंग बुक है, उसको दूसरे कबोर्ड में रखो. तो वो मेंटेनेंस आप कैसे करोगे? आपको जो समझ में आ रहा है वो आप बोल सकते हो. If I am not audible, you can see on the screen question on the screen and you will be giving the answer.
We have to make a diary. In that we have to write all the records of the library.
Yes, very
I mean,
good.
computer we can do keep records.
Yes, we have to take a one diary or a book and we have to write this is a book of this person, this is a book of this person, he gave me book on this date, this is the price of the book, this is a book of history, geography, mathematical or etc. Now second question is that how will you track the issue and return date? Search for a book of a certain author of category. Do you know who every book have an author and the category like geography and all? Yes, Akshay?
Ma'am, I was saying that, ma'am, your voice is not coming properly. So can we leave, ma'am, because we are not able to hear.
Because at the last of the class, I will be take the attendance.
Okay, ma'am. So I will be there only.
Okay. If you are not audible, if I'm not audible, you can read the question now and give me the answer for the second one. How will you track the issue and the return date? Search for a book of a certain author or the category. अगर आपने मेंटेन किया, पूरी बुक बनाई, बहुत सारी बुक्स है आपके पास, आपको पर्टिकुलरली कोई ऑथर के लिए सर्च करना हो तो आप कैसे करोगे? हमारे भी लाइब्रेरी है स्कूल में. आप पर्टिकुलरली कभी किसी ने पूछा, हमारी चंद्रिका मैम इज अ लाइब्रेरियन, have any person asked, ma'am, I want this author book? Category we can maybe we will found easily, but how will you found the author, the issue date or the return date for the particular person for the particular book? For the second question, कैसे आप find करोगे, कैसे आप search करोगे particular author के लिए? Is it easy for you whenever you write all the record in the notebook or the diary? क्या वो आपके लिए इजी होगा जब आप डायरी में लिख रहे हो, या फिर आप उसको लिख रहे हो किसी बुक में? Audible now?
Not yet, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it easy to find the particular author whenever you write your library record in a diary or in a book?
Yes, ma'am. Easy.
Just give me an answer in yes or no.
No.
Okay, I'm doing the one thing. I will also connect with my mobile phone. That's why it will be audible to you, maybe. Wait for a moment. Anyone? Okay, now give me just answer. Is it easy for you whenever you write all the library record in a particular book or your diary? Is it easy to find to you? It's a very
Yes, ma'am. It is
right?
easy.
Because we have to be find particular author or the particular issue date or the particular return date. So it's a very difficult whenever you are writing records in your book or one of the diary. Yes, Ruth? Okay, so for that, nowadays one application developed that is called the database. So first we are going to introduce our okay. Have you heard word open office? Have you heard the word open office? आपने open
Yes,
office
ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, सुना है. इवहा भी है, right? Which chapter you learn in the open office? Which chapter you learn in open office? आपने open office के अंदर कौन सा chapter सीखा हुआ है? I will be share the recorded video whenever I am audible also, not audible also. Yes, please tell me हमने कौन सा chapter सीखा है open office का? We are learning. Yes, not Kelsey, it's a CLC. Don't be tell that. Open Office CALC, we are learning a chapter, Open Office CALC. Even one more chapter that you missed for the previous year for class 3, 4 and 5, that is a Open Office Writer. Class 3, 4, 5 में आता है Open Office Writer, same as a Microsoft Office or the Word, you can say. And second chapter is a Open Office CALC, that is the same as a Excel. Now, third software of Open Office we are going to introduce, that is the Open Office Base. What is the Open Office Base? It is used to maintain the data. First, we have to be learn what is the meaning database. Database का मतलब क्या होता है? सबसे पहले आपको जानना है. What is the database? It is used to organize the collection of data. जैसे कि मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि लाइब्रेरी में डेटा ही होते हैं पर्टिकुलर, जैसे आप बुक का नाम लिखते हो, रिटर्न डेट, इश्यू डेट, ऑथर नेम, प्राइस ऑफ द बुक, एक्सेट्रा. So it's a collection of data and database is used to organize the data in form of the tables. Excel भी हम tables में ही create करते हैं. स्प्रेडशीट जो हम यूज करते थे, CALC जो हम यूज करते हैं, that also used in form of the table. Same, the database is also used in form of table. Data in each table stored in form the row and the column. As you know, tables are always come in rows and columns, right? So this the data, the collection of data in database is stored in form of rows and column. Remember one thing, that compulsory and maybe asked in 1 mark or MCQs, every column represented as a field, every column represent as a field, and every row represent as record in a table. जब आप डेटाबेस में टेबल बना रहे हो, column means field, rows means a record. What is the meaning of record? Every row in the database table that contain the complete information about a particular person or thing is called the record. रो में क्या होगा? पूरी डिटेल आपको मिलेगी. That's why it is called the record. What is the field? Of record contain a set of individual pieces. रो में क्या होता है? जैसे कि अगर मैंने कोई टेबल बनाया आपके क्लास का, रोल नंबर, नेम, एड्रेस, मोबाइल नंबर, क्लास, तो क्या होगा? एक रो में एक स्टूडेंट्स की सारी डिटेल आ जाएगी. बट व्हेनेवर यू टेक अ पर्टिकुलर कॉलम, एक कॉलम में रोल नंबर, दूसरी कॉलम में नेम, तीसरी कॉलम में एड्रेस, एंड वी आर गोइंग सो ऑन. So that particular data or a piece of information called the field, right? The school register is one of the best example for the table of data. Here is one example of given to you: student database, personal information, payments, and the grades. This is one example of student database जिसमें रो कॉलम आप मेंशन कर सकते हो. Now we know that to maintain the data we are using the database, but to maintain the database we have to be use the database management system, short form DBMS. A database management system, short form DBMS. So what is the DBMS? It's a software package used for creating and managing the database. Database management system क्या होगा? वो particular आपको database बनाने के लिए use होगा. Secondly, what is the tools of it? It provides the store, modify, delete the data and search for the specific data. जैसे मैंने आपको आगे पूछा था कि अगर आपको पर्टिकुलर ऑथर के लिए सर्च करना हो तब कैसे सर्च करोगे, तो यू डोंट हैव अ आंसर दैट आई आस्क कि वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा बुक में से ढूंढने के लिए कि ये ऑथर कौन है, कहाँ पे है, कौन से पेज पे होगा. तो उसको इजी बनाने के लिए देयर इज अ वन सिस्टम डेवलप्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड द DBMS, database management system. Means of DBMS is one of the application. Example of DBMS are Open Office Base, Microsoft Access. This is the symbol of the Open Office Base. Second, Microsoft Access and the SQL, MySQL or the SQL you can say. Okay, जिस तरह से MS Word and Open Office Writer are same, the Excel, MS Excel and the Open Office CALC are same Open Office Base and
Ma'am,
Microsoft
what is
Excel
the full
are
form
same.
of SQL?
That will become later. This is, you have to just remember the example now, क्योंकि उसकी डिटेल आपके बाद में आएगी. Server query language, the full form of it. फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, ये आपको याद
Okay,
नहीं
ma'am.
रखना, सिर्फ ऐसे ही मैंने आपको बोला है. It's a one of the application for the database. Now, before the introduction of OpenOffice base, we are first read what is the use of which are the advantages of OpenOffice Writer. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, Noreen Banu.
What?
Was noising, ma'am.
Please wait. I'm going to open the book. That's why. So first chapter we learned the computer networks. Second chapter is OpenOffice base. So first, which are the advantages of the DBMS? Remember the full form, database management system. First advantage, it's efficiency to data sharing. अब आप जब लाइब्रेरी का एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हो, बुक मेंटेनेंस का एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हो, तो आपको अपने आप ही एडवांटेजेस लिखने आ जाएंगे. Okay, so from the book, so you will be reading from your side. Efficient data sharing. Second is the data security, better data integration, reduce the data inconsistency, and increase the productivity of end user. I want to know the advantages from your side. कि क्या क्या अच्छी बातें हो सकती है अगर हम बुक या फिर डायरी की जगह पे अगर DBMS का यूज करें. अगर आप DBMS का यूज कर रहे हो in place of a book or the diary, which are the advantages for you? सबसे पहले तो बुक्स ज्यादा बढ़ेगी नहीं आपकी, कि रिकॉर्ड करना है तो डायरीज ज्यादा होगी, पेजेस ज्यादा होगी. सेकंड, कोई भी आपकी बुक लेके उसको चेक कर सकता है, कभी भी उसको ले सकता है. थर्ड, आपकी बुक खो सकती है, डायरी भी खो सकती है. जब आप DBMS बनाते हो तो वो आप कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हो. इवन आप अपने सिर्फ उन्हीं फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर कर सकते हो जो आप चाहते हो. Third thing, you will be you have to make only a one table and you will be saving your data in form of the DBMS. Okay, so these are the advantages, but I want to know, I want that you will be think by yourself कौन से दूसरे advantages हो सकते हैं DBMS के. Now, we are going to our main point, that is our base of this chapter, that is the OpenOffice base, that is used for those create a database. This is a one of the DBMS. Remember, OpenOffice base is one of the DBMS, means a database management system. What it is the component? It provides the components like a table, queries, forms, and the reports to store, display, and print your data in organized manner. अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि क्या हो रहा है, कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा, ये थियोरिकल बेस है इसलिए आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा. बट जैसे ही आप आगे जाओगे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि टेबल किसे कहते हैं, क्वेरी किसे कहते हैं, फॉर्म्स कैसे होते हैं और रिपोर्ट कैसे होते हैं. ये चारों कंपोनेंट जो होंगे OpenOffice बेस के, वो चारों कंपलसरी आपके डेटाबेस में आने चाहिए. उसके अलावा आप अपना डेटाबेस नहीं बना सकोगे. So first, that will be in the form of this table. It's a set of related data. First आपको table बनाना है, उसके ऊपर से query. Query means you can say one of the formula or criteria. Data resulting from a question asked of one or more table. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था author के लिए, तो उसके लिए queries use होगी. Then report, it formatted summary of data suitable for the print. Print करना हो तो उसके लिए आप report का use करोगे. And the forms, it's a user-friendly interfaces for entering and viewing data. So these are the elements of the database, the table that show the record in the organized manner in the database. Simply remember, it used to store the data. Second, records. Okay, it contains of all the data or information about the person and the things, and the fields one piece of data or information about the person or the thing. As we say that record means a row and field means a column. That is the definition of this. Okay, these are the other elements of database. We will be learn on the next Monday this thing, because I think we will be bored. And next time we will be also learn that how will you create your database, how will you create a table in the database. I want to just show you that how will you open your open office base. मैं सिर्फ आपको स्क्रीन दिखा रही हूँ अभी. So this is my screen and I have OpenOffice already downloaded. Whenever click on this, this is the text document, means OpenOffice Writer. This is the spreadsheet, means OpenOffice CLC. Now you can see the name database. Whenever you click on that, the database screen will be in front of you. It will be asked for your database, how you want to create, how you will be saved. This thing we will be learn in the next class. मैं अभी सिर्फ आपको दिखा रही हूँ कि आपको ओपन ऑफिस डाउनलोड करना है, डेटाबेस में जाके हमें हमारा डेटाबेस बनाना है. Okay, now this is totally theoretical, so some of the students I think bored also.